Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SOUNDCORE Liberty 3 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily select and choose different sound effects. At first, as you can see, we have to hit on sound effects over here, and here as you can see we have here ID sound, which we have to take our canal test, 3D surround sound, default, professional, and custom EQ. If we click on this arrow, we can modify our custom EQ over here. Apart from that, we can modify our professional one, which is Keir Sharma, Alex Pascal, Eunicio Molino, and a lot of famous persons over here. And apart from that, default, and in default ones, we can enable acoustic, bass booster, bass reducer, classical, postcast, dance, deep, electronic, flat, hip-hop, jazz, Latin, lounge, piano, pop, R&B, rock, small speakers, spoken word, treble booster and treble reducer. For example, I want to enable acoustic, and here as you can see we have acoustic. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!